This question from Istanbul. What are the main points of giving priority to the Holy Quran over the other revealed books?
Who has asked this question? Who has asked this question?
From just a minute. This question collected by our missionary and sent.
I see. Orhan.
No, Rashid, brother Rashid.
Rashid. You see, this question requires a very long answer. The superiority of the Quran over the rest of the books requires a detailed answer in so many areas, which would take some, I believe, even days to cover. So he, being a missionary, has asked a question as if, you know, a small answer will be finished. It's not true. It's not.
I think it's not his question, someone's question.
One?
It is not his own question, someone's question, sent through him.
Yes, but why didn't he answer him? Yes. He had all the time. He could discuss the matter of the superiority of the Quran for days and months with him, and he could benefit from my discourses on this subject. But I'm amazed at him, why he has sent this question to me at all. He knows it requires a very detailed discussion. It is impossible to do justice to that discussion here in this short meeting. And he fully knows that I have discussed this question in so many places, in so many, recorded in so many audios and videos, to which he has recourse. Why doesn't he inform himself first, if he is not already informed, and then start discussing the matter with with that person who inquired this from him? Right? In my recently published book, Revelation and Rationality, almost every chapter of this is dedicated to this question of the superiority of the Holy Quran. And because it is supported by such solid evidence as cannot be denied by even the atheists. So this contains answer to that question. And you know, to read and finish this book would require, if you do it with full attention and concentration, it may require many months. So he wants me to continue to answer him for months together in this class. Amazing. If he understands English well, which I doubt, let him read this book. Otherwise, as I suggested, let him discourse to my various questions and answers, which were also held in Urdu. He can understand Urdu well, so he can make his own, prepare his own answer in the light of what he hears. Right?